Hi friends, it's Miss Lissa with another story time. Are you guys ready? I'll start with our opening song. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Alright, today's story I have Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. In a cave in the woods in his deep dark lair, through a long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat-tip-toe, crawls into the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. You see? Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Let's go back this way. They nibble and they munch with a chew trump crunch, but Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but Bear snores on. If you can hear whining, it's because I've got my dog over here, and she wants me to be petting her and not reading. But I'm going to keep reading the story for you. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And Bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, Bear roars and he rumbles, Bear jumps and he stomps, Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, Bear sounds kind of angry and grumpy, doesn't he? You've snuck in my lair, and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Oh, he's sad. His friends were having fun, and he slept through it. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on the crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end. I think that was a really good story. Alright, are you guys ready for open shut then? Can you show me your fingers? Can you show me how you open them big and wide and how you shut them? Are you ready? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them, right up to your chin. Open up your little mouth, but don't let them in. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you for another story time soon.